Alright, so I've been having people wanting to know how to do tattoos, so I've decided to do little videos here and there to show you how to make, small simple things, and you can pretty much figure out from there. This was a requested one, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to our magic eraser, which you can find on the eraser toolbar. Um, just right click, go to magic eraser. You can set your tolerance to anyone you want. I like to do 50 on most things. It's good to, get a lot of the background stuff out. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go near the tattoo and I'm gonna just click, get all the background that you don't want out of it. All this I use something else to take this off right here. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our poly tool to get all this back off. Like I said, you might have a different way of doing it. This is just mine. It's just something real quick, just nothing too big, just get all that excess off. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to get as much of this excess right here off as I possibly can. If you're comfortable with using it, you can use your magic eraser tool for this. Me, I like using the poly tool, but sometimes the magic eraser is which I'm using now is a better choice. And pretty much right now you're oh, if you mess up you can always go back to file and undo and just pretty much get all the excess stuff out. Right now I'm gonna go to the poly tool because I see this part right here that I'm not really comfortable with. And I'm just gonna take that out. Okay, now that I'm satisfied with that, pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this over here to my layer. Now, after I got to my layer, what I do is I go to edit, free transform. I'm going to shrink it down to the size that I'm comfortable with. This also allows you to turn and put it into place where you feel the tattoo should be. Okay, so pretty much when you have the tattoo in a position that you're comfortable with, what you're going to do is you're going to click off of it. It's going to ask you if you want to apply the changes that you've made. Click yes. Now you see my tattoo is where I want it to be. Okay, you're going to go to File, Save As, and you're going to save it as anything you want pretty much, as long as it's a PNG. So I'm going to go down to PNG. I'm going to just type something random. Okay. And it's going to bring up this menu. Just click OK. And that's pretty much it. Tattoo made. Um, for further instructions, I'll make a part 2 to this video. If you have any questions on like what tattoo you want made or how to do this tattoo or where to place this tattoo, just hit me up in world at Ebonyjlove if you can't get a hold of me there. Search, not Second Life, but search Facebook under Junior Escobar and I'll reply. And here you have it. After you followed all those steps I showed you in the video, this is the end product of the shoulder blade tattoo. Only thing different I did was I added some initials in there. And that's it. As you see, it's really simple. It only takes about 5-10 minutes for something real simple and easy. Like I said before, if you have any more requests for any other tattoos you would like to learn how to do, just hit me up on Facebook at Junior Escobar or Second Life at Ebonyjlove Resident.